Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to convert HTML to Docx in Power Automate and Logic Apps. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once you're on the page, log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to the Power Automate dashboard where you can create and manage your workflows. After logging in, look at the left side of your screen and click on Create. This will open up several flow creation options. From the menu that appears, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow allows you to trigger automation manually whenever you need it. Next, select Manually Trigger a Flow from the options and then click Create to set up your new flow. Now you'll see your flow canvas. Click the plus icon to add a new action. In the search bar that appears, type Get File Content. This action will allow you to retrieve your HTML file from its storage location. For this example, we're working with a file stored on SharePoint, so click on Get File Content on SharePoint from the search results. This connector is specifically designed to access files stored in your SharePoint sites. Once you've added the action, you'll need to configure it. First, input your site address in the designated field. This tells Power Automate which SharePoint site to access. Then, look for the file identifier field and click the folder icon next to it. This will open a file browser where you can navigate through your SharePoint folders. Locate and select your HTML file from the list. This step is important because it tells the flow exactly which file to work with. Next, click the plus icon again to add another action. In the search bar, type Cloud Mersive. This is a powerful document conversion service that will handle the HTML to Docx transformation. From the results, find Cloud Mersive Document Conversion and click See More to view all available actions. Now locate Convert HTML to Word Docx document and click on it to add this conversion action to your flow. After adding the conversion action, you'll need to configure it properly. Click on Advanced Parameter to reveal additional options. From the expanded menu, click Input Request/HTML. This parameter is where you'll specify the HTML content to convert. Click on the field, then click the thunder icon, which represents dynamic content. From the list that appears, click File Content. This connects the HTML file you retrieved earlier to the conversion action. Now it's time to save your converted document. Click the plus icon once more and search for Create File, then click it. This action will save your newly converted Docx file to a location of your choice. Input your site address and folder path to specify where the file should be saved. Then, in the file name field, enter something like output.docx. This will be the name of your converted document. Finally, click on the File Content field and then click the thunder icon to access dynamic content again. From the list, select Output Content. This connects the converted Docx content from Cloud Mersive to your new file, completing the conversion process. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automated workflow that converts HTML files to Docx format using Power Automate. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.